It's quick and easy to clean your KitchenAid griddle. First, turn off all burners and oven controls. Now gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need a wooden spatula, a microfiber cloth, 1 cup of water, a non-scratch sponge, and 3 kitchen towels. Avoid using any soaps, cleaning chemicals, or abrasive materials that could damage the griddle surface. Set the griddle to 300 degrees and let it preheat. You'll know it's ready when the indicator light turns solid blue. Start in the back and pour the water across the surface. Let it bubble for 3 to 4 seconds, then use your sponge to pull the water forward into the drip tray. Switch to a wet towel and give the griddle another wipe, making sure to get along the edges. Turn it off and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Give it a final wipe with a damp towel, then buff with a microfiber cloth. If you notice any white marks left behind, just reheat the surface, then wipe with a little vinegar and water on a clean towel. Finally, remove the drip tray and clean with warm soapy water. Put it back, and that's it! The griddle's ready for your next cooking adventure.